might have actually watched on my Instagram videos, I use a lot of Korean music. That blame on the K-dramas. Because pandemic, we're staying back home, time pass, I've started watching K-dramas, and any and every K-drama that you watch, there's a ramen scene. Okay? Be it sadness, happiness, being in love, or you want to invite somebody, there's a ramen. And I, being a vegetarian, I have always had a doubt on, can I ever taste ramen in my life? And then I started researching, asked few friends, and finally found them. So I got two flavors. One says Shin Ramyeon and the other says Veg Tasty Noodle Soup. I can't eat both. So since Shweta is in her hometown right now, we will save this for her. Shweta, once you're back, you'll taste this. I'll go with Shin Ramyeon, and I had to go through the ingredients again and again. Like I said, vegetarian. I didn't want to take a risk. So let's go ahead and try. And for sure, this is made in Korea. Let's try Korean food. For that, let's see what we need. It says we need 550 ml of water. That's half bottle. Got it. And then ham. Got it. My mom bought it from Japan, so I think this should work. And okay, it says it's done in 5 minutes, so let's see. Where's the lighter? Okay. Perfect. And okay, so this is also got an allergic information. So if you guys are allergic to wheat or soy, please do not try. Okay. So everything goes into the pan at once. So we have a vegetable mix and a soup base, and of course noodles. Being an Indian, we are more used to Maggi, top ramen, and North soupy noodles. But Shin Ramyeon is actually a first time, and I'm nervous and excited both. I'm not sure how it's going to taste. So let's see. Okay, so everything is now in the pan. I'm leaving it for say 4.5 to 5 minutes as instructed. How's it gonna taste? It's almost 5 minutes now, and I think it's almost done. It looks similar to Maggi. Maggi. But it's not Maggi. Alright, while this is being done, if you want to try these noodles, you can either order them on Amazon. I am from Hyderabad, so I found it in Ratnadeep. If you have any Ratnadeep nearby, probably you can find it there. Or any international gourmet store. All the best. And yeah, even Big Basket is, delivering them, so you can get it there as well. And if you ask me the price of it, I got it for 95 rupees in Ratnadeep. And if you want to purchase it on Amazon, you can get it on a bulk order of 4 or 5. since I was skeptical about trying this first, so I just got a pack. Okay, this is almost done. I have a pretty ramen bowl here. See, cute one. I am going to fry ramen. This bowl fits perfectly for ramen. Yes, it does. The time too. Okay. Let's go try. Time for some tasting. Finally, the moment has arrived. Let me take off my glasses. I don't want fog on them. First time ramen. How do I eat this? Okay, so I don't have chopsticks and I don't know how to use them. I'm going with the traditional fork. Nice. It's a little spicy, but it's not. I guess for an average South Indian, this isn't spicy. I like it. So there are mushrooms in it, there are carrots, there are spring onions. And do try it and post your comments below and subscribe to our channel, like and share it as well. Thank you. I'll enjoy my ramen. Bye bye.